you that book is preparing you to have goals and to actually make more money.
Yeah, update on the book. I ain't even gonna lie.
You're gonna start seeing rewards, and even if you're not seeing rewards, in the end, it's all about just focusing on your process and making sure that
YouTube.
I wake up kinda tired, but I'll just sleep in when I'm old. See, I don't like breaking rules, but don't like doing as I'm told. So I just don't like breaking rules, but don't like doing as I'm told.
Just real quick, we're gonna be doing a breakdown on 3 plays, and then throughout the week, we're gonna be showing you guys updates on the charts. Excuse me, my fault. Chewing a little gum. But anyways, like I was saying, we're about to be showing you guys what I was doing with the day, just give you some motivational talks and a recap on the week. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get it. Let's go. Ha!
we just woke up from a nap after we took that walk. We've been on the charts. We've been just relaxing and did the dishes, and we was cooking. But today, well, not even today. It's still the day still going on. We're about to go read the book, get to the recaps of the charts for you guys. We're all gonna do that today, and then we're gonna grab a book, put something with motivational quotes in it. Might do. I think I might just do the Richest Man in Babylon, because you guys do need that book. I'm telling you, that book is preparing you to have goals and to actually make more money. It's not just telling you this is what you need to do to get rich. This is like, they're actually showing you how to manage your money. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that one, and we're gonna enjoy this video. So let's get it. Let's go. Every day, if you do the same thing and continue to do the same process, you're gonna start seeing rewards. And even if you're not seeing rewards, the reward is that you're gonna start seeing a better you, a bigger discipline, and a bigger growth inside your aspect of just anything you're doing when it comes to just being in a career, being a 9-to-5, or creating a huge business. Because in reality, my goal is to do things that are hard. I don't want to just go easy and then have a great mindset for something that is super easy. I want to do something hard for myself. So with this content, I really thank you guys for being here, watching me, being here with Michi. With me and him are going to potty, me and him are chilling, and all the great funny content that we're going to have in the future, because this is just to show you and document what I'm doing, what my process is, how I'm doing my journey, and how you guys can get up and start trading. Because all it is just turning on the camera, showing your charts, and being active and doing what you need to do every single day. In the end, it's all about just focusing on your process and making sure that you're coming up and stepping up to the plate every single day. Coming up to them charts, looking at them charts, coming up to your job, stacking your money, whatever you need to be doing, and making sure that you are doing everything possible that your dream is going to happen. Because if you're putting yourself in a position where you're doing things that are going to slow up your dream, is that really helping the process or hurting your process? Because I'm pretty sure you guys already know the answer. And I just want to keep myself accountable. I want you guys to keep yourself accountable and put yourself in a position where you are always doing things to progress your dream. You're always doing things to better yourself, better your mindset, and even better your trading skills or just your skills in general as an entrepreneur. I just want to leave these things with you because this is the journey. This is going to be the process. These are the things I'm going to keep repeating myself as my goals elevate, as my life elevates, if it declines, anything that happens. Because at the end of the day, it's going to be up to me to put in that work. And I just want you guys to see this work happen, because with the skills of being a trader, learning the patience, learning mental awareness, this is what's going to get me there. This is what's going to get me successful. Give yourself reasons how you can sacrifice, take time, put yourself in a position where you're sitting back and you're realizing, where's all my time actually going? Because then you'll start to realize that you do have a lot of time that you're not utilizing. Like me, for example, I never had a dog before. And me having a dog now, I'm walking a dog every day. Who would have ever thought that I have time to go take care of another person's needs, when in reality, I'm thinking I need to be sitting at a chart, sitting at a computer all day. It just goes to show you that it's not about the, oh, I can't do this because I have these things that I want to do. It's about, what do you really want to do as a person? And if you're going to want to do it, you're going to come up and show up every single day.
Julio!
Yeah, update on the book. I ain't even gonna lie. I have been reading. I have been doing a lot more when it comes to like my crib and renovations, but we did get to Law 20. And with Law 19, we definitely learned a lot when it came to that chapter. We can go back to it for you guys real quick. Knowing who you're dealing with, do not offend the wrong person. So yeah, in Law 19, it really gave me more in depth onto a mindset of, there is a different side or different perspective of the people that you're trying to deceive and why some of your deceptions or your ideas or any investments, they don't work with the simple-minded or people who are overcautious. And it gives you a more in-depth of like details of like, all right, this is what can happen. So you want to put yourself in a position to not even be there and be in a position to know, all right, these are the type of people that I am dealing with. It's up to me to maintain a situation to build myself or hurt myself. And I kind of loved how Law 19 really showed you that. At the end of the day, you can learn so much, but it's how you apply the knowledge. So yeah, that's really what I wanted to share with you guys. And now with Law 20, we already have been reading it, but I just wanted to show you that page, and then we're gonna get to that next week. Well, not next week, next video I mean. But yeah, we're gonna start doing this, and then we're gonna go take him for a walk real quick, and then that's really gonna be it. I kind of just wanted to show you guys this again too, bro. I love this new background, bro, because the other one you guys already know. The other one it just had the name spelt wrong, so I was just really procrastinating not doing it. So I'm glad I just sat down and I got it done, because now this one doesn't even look bad, bro. This shit's some calm shit. You already see I got the emojis, I got that name, you know what I'm saying? I got the vibe. So yeah, let's get it, let's go. We're about to go walk him, so let's go do that. Okay, so it's currently 5:12 right now. The market's open at 6 o'clock. I'm doing this video and I'm doing the recap video that I'm posting to you guys tonight, so I'm getting both of these locked in. So one thing that I wanted to leave with you guys is I just wanted to leave you guys a little gem, and we're gonna randomize it because I've read this whole book, so everything I've kind of written notes. If I can show you, let me show you. If you can see right here, I got highlights on the book. Written notes everywhere. So I want to just flip onto something and leave you something real quick, because I just wanted to make this a little quick video for you guys so you guys can get prepared for the week and have some plays to look at. And you guys can join the Telegram to get updates on the charts, see more videos on how the trades are going and how my life is going throughout the week, and be more consistent. So with that being said, let's do this real quick. All right, boom. We're on page 157. Don't know what chapter this is. I'm gonna read. Okay, boom. I'm gonna read these highlights right here. At last, much to my joy, the deal was closed. I followed my new master away, thinking I was the luckiest man in Babylon. Yeah, you already know. Always going crazy out here in Georgia, too. Yes, at last, much to my joy, the deal was closed. I followed my new masters away, thinking I was the luckiest man in Babylon. My new home was much to my liking. The Nananade, my master, taught me how to grind the barley in the stone bowl that stood into the courtyard, how to build the fire in the oven, and then how to grind very fine the sesame flour for the honey cakes. I had a couch in the shed where his grains were stored. The old slave housekeeper Swatis fed me well and was pleased at the way I helped her with this heavy task. So the big thing that I wanted to take when I highlighted this was, at last to my joy, the deal was closed. I followed my new master away, thinking I was the luckiest man in Babylon. So for him, a big thing that he wanted to understand was that being the luckiest man in Babylon isn't always about money. It's about being close to the riches, about being close to the skills, because now you have access to more. You have access to a bigger room, to more resources, to become a bigger and better person. Which is why when I was telling you guys, I think in a couple videos ago, the big thing that a lot of rich people do is once they become successful, they stop dreaming. And the big thing that you should do is that you should be dreaming even more, because you have more resources, which means you have more things and you're able to acquire and do more beneficial things for people. Like for hip hop, if you realize that we've had hip hop for, I think, about 80 years right now, and a big thing that I've seen that on YouTube is that we don't really have nothing beneficial from hip hop besides rappers that have a bunch of money, diamonds, and all these things that the consumer has to just consume. Like, we don't have anything when it comes to a school, when it comes to knowledge, when it comes to a sense of giving black people an advantage or a foundation or something that black people can actually benefit off of, or even white people can benefit off of. It's a big thing. It's a big thing to look at, because if you look at it as in a sense of like where we have plains, we have lands, we have banks, these things have beneficial wealth, and over the line, long term, you started to gain more and more things as the invention became more established. So with hip hop, it kind of surprised me. I was been here for 80 years, and we haven't really seen anything really big happen in the industry when it comes to helping out the community or even building the community in a sense. All right, bet. So we about to do this breakdown real quick. So let's get this started. So the breakdown is going to be 3 pairs. The 3 pairs that we're going to be doing is gold, USD Chief, and we'll do a breakdown on GJ just to get a good insight on just what I'm looking at for the week. I'm not going to really go into depth of like the trades that I would take, but I'm going to show you key areas of how to execute and how to look at GJ in a standpoint for the week. So we're going to start doing, let's do USD Chief first. So with USD Chief, you guys already know I've been talking so much about how we're in consolidation, but prices gave you an indication on the daily time frame that we could potentially continue to break. So for me, how I want to play this out is I simply want to go play on the 4-hour time frame. And with the 4-hour time frame, all it's telling me was you can clearly see that we do have this support level. Price was buying, but if price does continue to sell, meaning breaking under this level of support, we can easily just take a sell position, have a stop loss above, and we can just be patient, because you know USD Chief does have a tendency to move out of session, so we can be patient for that type of momentum and see what happens for the week. And then going on to the lower time frames, all we're focusing on is the same market structure that we've been looking at, and we can go into 2 weeks so you guys can get a little bit more idea of how I'm looking at the markets. So notice how price was coming into this support level, taking its time to get up there. You can see that we use this level as support, failed, and then we end up touching the zone. And then price came at this level of resistance once again, use this level as support, failing to use this level to continue above this level, my bad, and then continuously using this level as support, trying to break this zone. I want you to realize that consolidation was trying to close out its buying momentum. It was trying to shorten it out. My bad, let me move this, bro. It's gonna piss me off. So with GJ, well, y'all caught me, bro. With USD Chief, the big thing that I was looking at was in consolidation was that price was trying to shorten up the zone using this level of support, trying to break this resistance and continue its bullish momentum back above. Once I seen price not doing that and it closed off the week, you can see that price ended up staying stagnant under the zone and then using this level. And then this is where we ended up capitalizing for this trade. So now that I've drawn the whole zones, one thing that I like to do is I like to just take it off so you guys can get a little bit of a cleaner idea of what's going on when I'm looking at the charts. This one was kind of ugly, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So the big thing that I want to focus on is I want to focus on, once again, that level that we use as support, which is right here. Notice how price shows you bearish momentum back under. Price obviously over here, if we was to grab this black line right here so we can get a little bit of a better indication, you can see that price before was trying to use this level as a level of resistance, but once price tapped that support level at the bottom of consolidation, it came back above trying to break this resistance and then failing. Take that in consideration that it failed to break that resistance, giving you indication that the selling momentum in consolidation was still valid. As to the buying momentum, it was taking so long to get up here. As soon as price was started selling, it just was clean momentum back down. Clean lower highs, clean lower lows. As to buyers, it was fighting, trying to slowly bring support back up. That's why I was giving you that indication, because you can see when it comes to buying, it was so choppy. But when it comes to selling, you can clearly see that price was failing to break this resistance, made this low, lower high, then made this low right here. Clearly failing to continue back under, but once you can clearly see, once price was buying back to retest in this consolidation, it just made more lower highs. As to price before, it was making higher highs, but not breaking the zone. So now we want to see if price is going to break this zone back under. So that's all I'm really waiting for when it comes to USD Chief. So like I said, if price is to continue bearish off the market open, you can't capitalize sells and take sells back under. You guys know that we do have higher time frame targets. If I was to go to the daily time frame, reset my chart for you guys, just need to go grab them. As you can see over here, price hasn't been here since 2011, so it's why it takes me a little while to find the zones. But you can see if price was to start selling, we're actually going to sell to a whole level of support, which is why I'm more comfortable with price selling, because price looks like it just wants to just sell to another zone, which is okay. It's not like price is breaking this level and we have no indication of where we're going. Price is just going to go to a support level that we have not been to in a long time, which is a big indication on price retesting and potentially changing its structure. So going back to where we are in the market, the big thing that I also wanted to leave you guys with when understanding the market structure on a higher time frame was that when price made this low level under here and came to retest before coming back bearish, price came all the way back above, used the zone, and came all the way to this resistance level. So if price is to sell to this support level that we haven't been to in a long time, same as this zone right here, what do you think price is going to do? So that's why I was giving myself, all right, if price is going to break quarter point levels, I need to see it break and stay under. So that's why I have these levels marked up. And with that being said, let's go do gold real quick. Gold is not going to be that long, simply because we already have the structure of what we're looking for right now. So with gold, starting on the daily time frame, the big thing that I want to take in consideration is that price just made a high. It's been super bullish, and we finally have been showing some levels of resistance going into next week. Now, going to the 4 hour, the big thing that I took in consideration was, if you guys was watching the recap video, you guys know I took sell positions here, and I do have sell positions around this level right here, but I'm just holding to see if price can retest this low level back down here, which is 2600 level. So the big thing that I want to take in is that price did break this level of support, and going to the lower time frame, these high levels are up here, so price does have a right to buy at these levels. If price stays under these levels, it's great because we have indication that price is going to repeat the bearish momentum that it has done here, it has done here, and it has done here to come back down to this level of support and then continuing to go under, because you can clearly see that with the new structure in the market, that price is going to start selling to a new level of support instead of using this level. But this is just another indication to, all right, I can potentially get back in trades, and price is still showing me bearish momentum. So with that being said, the big thing that I want to do is that if gold does potentially retest back here and show bearish momentum, just capitalize. Wait for prices to stay under levels of resistance, show support levels and start breaking, and then take that trade under and hold with me. Because like I said, I'm waiting to see if price can come back down to 200, 600 level and then continue breaking that level of support. Because like I said, price really does need a retest, and I think price could potentially keep going, but it's all about waiting for key levels of support to be broken first as well. And now we can go on to, we did USC Chief, we did gold. Let's go do GJ real quick for you guys. So with GJ, in the recap, the big gem that I was telling you guys about was how I don't see price showing me clear bearish momentum until we come under this zone, is because notice how price came to make this high, higher low. We finally made indication that we started to go back on a bullish trend that we had in the market before, because notice price is always going to do the same thing over and over again. Made this higher low and then continued. So now when price stayed back above this level, all I was telling myself was that this key level, using it as support, is a big indication, because now we're going back above on that same market structure that we have in the past. So if I see price coming to this level, I'm not scared at all. I really want to see if price is going to break this level, and then that's going to give me an indication to start using my charts in a bearish momentum and a bearish mindset with GJ, because right now GJ is actually really bullish. It's just all about just waiting for price to show its hand, show that price is making higher lows and it's failing to stay under levels of resistance. And with that being said, with GJ, all I'm really looking for right now is if we go to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is already showing me that price is beginning to show me buying momentum. So if I could see price break above this level of resistance that price started to do at the end of last week going into it, I can start taking buy levels, and I could potentially come back to that level of resistance, which is a high level right here, to potentially come back on this buying momentum, which is why I was really happy that that GJ came to retest all of this before the week ended, because it really just ended up speeding up the market to continue going back on that buying momentum if it really wanted to. And with that being said, that really is it when it comes to the charts. I hope you guys really can take some plays, take the knowledge with you, and join my Telegram, because in my Telegram, I'm gonna send some screenshots with these trades, send some more details when it comes to like the shorts and my stop loss, because that's where I want to give them all the gems, all the value. And I want you guys to just get a part of my life, see the process and see what I'm doing, so you guys can join the family and join the growth and support the lifestyle of how to become successful when it comes to being an entrepreneur. And with that being said, that really is it with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Be great, the only way's up, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Shout out to that boy Sire, getting hot, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't even say these niggas chain. I would just say these niggas wasn't real if they would've had a nigga think. One day I'ma run away with my gut feeling, then take it to the bank. One day I'ma run away with my dream, bitch, then take it to the paint. Life ain't getting no more easy, I'm just trying to get away. Nigga asked why we were robbing, we were just trying to make a way. Main whole nag, my phone ringing, I'm just trying to make a play. I seen everybody eating shit, I was just trying to get a plate. Before I leave, I say a prayer and then pick up the Glock. Folks stick invest stock, police trying to grab the block. Before I slide, I say another prayer and then go load the ball. Then I go unload the block. It feel good, unload the shot. I cut my hoes off, cause them bitches scratch me out. They take my phone like scratch me out. When shit got cold, I kept it hot. Ain't no switching up forever in that mode, ain't getting out. I can't let no nigga outdo me forever, live by get it now. Do what she do, she gotta go. Baby, known for getting round. All these pretty hoes like to come around, cause they know we getting down. Couple niggas though too deep, couldn't swim it, now they getting drowned. Work too hard to get up to the top, now ain't no sitting down. I wouldn't even say these niggas chain. I would just say these niggas wasn't real if they would've had a nigga think. One day I'ma run away with my gut feeling, then take it to the bank. One day I'ma run away with my dream, bitch, then take it to the paint. Life ain't getting no more easy, I'm just trying to get away.